Welcome to Star Coverage. Remember to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell.
Okay, he's good. Good, he's good. Oh my goodness.
I've already tried to look at where I could go in a couple of days somewhere close to catch.
And education brings all the constituents together, does it not? It brings together volunteers and the Board of Education and city government, the local businesses, the Memphis Education Foundation, all the sponsors, all the citizens, the students, the teachers. We all come together, right? Almost like a maestro bringing the orchestra together so that we can celebrate education and we can celebrate us actually giving back to the classroom, giving back to the teachers. And that's really the gist of it. And so we're excited to do that. My name is Kerry Vaughn, and I have the opportunity of serving and my privilege to serve as chair of the Millington Education Foundation. So first and foremost, what I would like to do is I would like to ask the board to come up and stand with me. So if you're part of the board of directors for the foundation, would you please come up? That's right, come on up. That's good. That's good. Mark, we're going to start with you. If you just introduce yourself, let's go around. And this is your Education Foundation Board of Directors.
Carla Hornsby,
Beth Earn, Rebecca Fierce,
Chuck Hurt,
Leanna Dagen,
Randy Hart with Homer Scale Millington Ford.
Jeremy Tincher.
Rosie Crawford.
Great. This board has been together since about 2012, and it took us a couple of years to ramp up, and it took us a couple of years to get things in motion, and then we started giving money back to the classroom about 2014. And that's been really exciting for us. I'm going to talk more about that here in a few moments. But I would also like to introduce our city mayor, Mr. Terry Jones, if you would come up, sir. Here, I'm going to let you introduce them and just say a few words about our partnership and really how it kind of got started back in 2012. Is that good?
Sounds good.
Okay.
Well, of course, our aldermen here, we got a couple. I know Thomas McGhee here, Larry Dagen. So, but this started like back in 2012. He said it had been kind of dormant for a long time, education. And so when we got back there, and about it took us a couple of years to get all the paperwork done, get all the funds set aside, and once that all got started, it started coming back to the community, which happened about the same time we got our own municipal school system, which was really good, so we got to keep it here, not getting it on the county, it all came back to Millington. So. But we're excited about the way things have turned out, and you know we're going to keep continuing with this as long as we can with as many events as we can. So.
Very good.
I'm Thomas McGhee, Jr. of Millington Star, here with Millington Municipal School Superintendent Griffin on this tremendous day.
Absolutely, yes, sir.
Talk about just how Millington Education Foundation, all that hard work is coming back to help your students.
Well, yes, sir. First and foremost, what the foundation does for us is they kind of fill in the gaps where funding doesn't take place. You know, we always need extra money for things that can really make a difference in the classroom. But with the foundation, they do a great job of finding those grants, finding those supporters to come in here and let teachers have, you know, opportunity to get those things in the classroom and make a difference, depending on what's like.
Now, you've been involved with Millington School Superintendent. You're part of this community. And they came to you for advice on how to fundraise a couple years ago. Now you are benefiting from it. How does it feel when you see them having the trivia nights and the fundraisers and, you know, the land on, the certain passing client, all those good things?
Well, I'll be honest with you, that right there in itself shows you what the one Millington vision is all about. Everybody coming together to help each other out. You know, the schools are great, the city is doing great. The city is doing great, the schools are doing great. No one ever comes into the community and asks about, that first thing they ask about your football team. They ask about, you have good fire, you have good services. And it goes back to what Mr. Ed said, if we all work together, if the city's doing great, then the schools are doing great. If the schools are great, that means our police and our fire and our city is involved. That's a huge part.
And my last question for you, whenever we talk, it always goes back to the students. And these teachers, they get to benefit, they get to write the grants. them. What do you hope the students realize from this, knowing that there's a group in the community that's thinking about you?
Well, first and foremost, there are people in this community they may never meet, but they care about these kids, and it shows every day. When you have people that give money that have no students in these buildings because they know that the key to our future in Millington is what we raise right here, and they put that money back into the classrooms, that just shows me that this community is about one another, about what's best for everyone. That we become the second leading city right now in growth, and all that good stuff. We want to be with Sparkman, so that tells you right there a lot of great things are happening. Like I said, the city does well, the schools do well, we all prosper.
I appreciate it. You're the whole city. Once the coach always comes, I say thank you.
Hey, thanks, appreciate it. Yeah.